A very good morning to you all. How are you? Myself, Nima Dabi, your science educator. Dear students, hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So, students, today we will do chapter number 2. Yes. So, the name of your chapter number 2 is Safety and First Aid. We will discuss many things about safety and about first aid. But before that, thought of the day? Yes? So let's see what is the thought of the day. Your thought is start each day with a positive mindset and a grateful heart. It means that students, when you wake up in the morning, just have a smile on your face and have positive mind. And you can see your whole day will become a wonderful day, an amazing day, right? So keep a beautiful smile on your face with a positive mind. Dear students, now take your Canopy Term 2 book and open chapter number 2, Safety and First Aid. Okay? So first of all, let's discuss about what is safety. Safety. What is safety? The state of being safe is safety. Safety is the state of being safe, the condition of being protected from harm or other non-desirable outcomes. So, safety means to be safe. Now, what is first aid? First aid is the first and immediate assistance given to any person suffering from either a minor or serious illness or injury, with care provided to preserve life. So, this is first aid. So, students, as we know, you like playing, right? You like go to the garden, you like playing, you like to ride the bicycles. Have you ever fallen? Have you ever fallen from the bicycle or from running in the garden? Have you ever fallen? And have you ever hurt yourself? Okay, now tell me this. Have you ever cut yourself or cut your finger with a blade or knife anywhere during sharpening your pencil or helping your mom in cutting some fruits or vegetables? Have you ever cut your finger? Tell me. Yes, sometime it occurs, right? We know that everything is not in our control. So sometime accidents occurs, right? So what is accident? An unexpected event that might lead to you being hurt is called an accident. The accident does not only means that two cars get attacked or accident happens. Accidents also means if sometime you hurt yourself by falling down or by cutting your finger, your hand, it is also an accident. The accident which is unexpected event that might lead to you being hurt is called an accident. Okay? So, the accident can happen if you are careless. Okay? So, you have to be very careful in doing any of the things. If you are careless, then accidents can happen. When you get hurt, it is painful, right? Whenever you get hurt, it is painful. So, please be careful in doing any of the thing. Alright? Accident can happen anywhere and at any time. You have to be careful to avoid accidents. To avoid this, you have to follow some of the rules. So, what are the rules? Let's take a look. So, there are some rules. By that, you can save yourself, right? As we know that we all are at our home because pandemic is going on, right? So, let's start. How you can save yourself at your home. Okay, what are the things you can do to save yourself? Let's see. So, the first thing is do not leave your books and toys lying on the floor. Someone might trip over them and fall. Yes, keep your toys and your books at their particular place. Don't keep them lying on the floor. Okay? Maybe someone trip on them and fall. It may occur some injury, some fractures. Alright? So keep your things in their particular place to avoid accidents. The second thing is knives, blades, and scissors are very sharp. We know that knives, blades, and scissors are very sharp. They can cut you, they can cut your finger. Yes, so always use them in the presence of an adult. Okay, if you want to use any scissors, blades, or knives, just use them in the presence of adult, so it will help you in not happening of any accidents, right? So let's see what is the third one. The third, playing with matchstick is dangerous. Okay, so playing with matchstick is very dangerous. Okay, you can harm yourself by playing with the matchstick, right? So use them only in the presence of an adult. If you're using matchstick, so please use them in the presence of an adult. Always put out a matchstick before throwing it. If you're throwing the matchstick away, just put it off. Okay, just blow the air and put it off. After that, throw the matchstick, because matchstick may harm you, may burn your skin. So now, always be careful with fireworks. Yes, this is important. As we know that Diwali is there. Yes, Diwali is coming. So students, be careful with the fireworks. They can explode and cause burn. Right? So while playing with cracker or while burning the cracker, please be careful because it can explode and you can burn. Right? Ask any adult for the help in the light of firework. Just ask any adult to help you in the light of firework. So be careful. Electrical things are useful as they make our work easier. Yes, very correct. The fans, lights, machines, etc. These things makes our work very easier. But if they are not used carefully, they can give electric shocks, right? So if you are using any of the electric item, please be careful, because it if it is not used carefully, it give you electric shock, and electric shock can kill a person. So students, be careful by using any of the electric item. Take a help from an adult for using that. All right? And never play with plug point, open wires, or electrical things, right? Never play with them, with the open plugs, with the open wire, plug points, or electrical things. Yes, this safety is also important. Never try to taste anything you do not know about. Just ask any of your adult about that food. After that, taste it or have it. Never try to taste anything you do not know about. So, the last thing, do not fly kites or play on terrace. You can fall off if you are not careful. If you are flying kites or you are playing in the terrace, be careful because it can be dangerous in any time, right? So while playing in the terrace or flying kite, please be careful. All right? So these all are the safety of your home. How in your home you can be safe. Now let's talk about safety at school. Yes, you have learned what are the safety points when you are at homes. Now let's study what are the safety points when you are at your school. right? So let's start it. In that, first is running up and down a staircase is dangerous. Yes, we have seen many of the students, running up and down in the staircase. It can be dangerous, student, right? Do not push anyone on the stairs. Always form a line before you come down the staircase. Whenever you are coming down from the staircase, just make a line and never push anyone because it can harm you. Okay, it can harm other student. So be in line whenever you are in the staircase, because running up and down in the staircase, it can be dangerous. Now, the second thing, classroom. As we know that classrooms are for study purpose, right? But during recess or during free period, many students, like to play in the classroom and jumping on the desk and like do anything, right? But classrooms are not for running and playing, because the corner of desk are very sharp and it can hurt you badly. So, the climbing on the desk and playing inside the classroom can cause accidents. So, please be careful. Classrooms are for studying, not for playing and for running. Okay? For playing, for running, garden and grounds are there. But in the classroom, you have to be very, very careful, because the sharpness of the desk can hurt you badly. The third one is, do not run in the corridors. Corridors are for walking. Yes, in the corridors, in the school corridors, you have to walk. You have to walk in a queue, in a line. The corridors are not for running. Okay? So in the next time, please make a queue, make a line while you are walking in the corridor. So, dear students, here I am ending my topic. So, the rest of the topic we will discuss in the next period, right? We will discuss more about safety. Okay? So, till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.